boxes and boxes of Traxxas. Tamiya, Tamiya, Tamiya. Boxes, boxes of Tamiya. Really have a lot of them. Lots of boxes. Not just Tamiya, we have Kyosho. This is a quick preview. I am going to come back here, but I'm at Sang's house. He's just setting up his RC room right now. And name as many as you can of these rigs. If you can name them, you don't win anything. You're just going to... But there's a lot of different RC cars. A lot of Tamiyas. Hey, here's a brat, you dirty brat. Other one. He's got a very good extensive collection. He's been buying some and actually restoring some. This one used to be all purple, but he's taken the paint off and painted white. You can still see a little bit of the purple, but it's a very old body. Lots of fun, lots of kits, lots of RCs to play with. Here's some more. Now this one's a nice rare one. Here's a bunch of MO chassis. And here's a guy relaxing, just enjoying himself. This one always looked weird to me. But I never ran one. I should actually take that one out this summer. Just for fun. See how it handles. I think I'm going to invite him to my trail and tell him to bring a couple of these guys. But he sure has a lot. Now we'll go back and talk about some of these more in detail, the history of them and so on. Here's a Hornet and a Super Hornet side by side. Lots of them. So very interesting little collection, and we'll see more of it later when his room is all finished and complete. For now, we'll have to come back later.